Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mr. Organic YouTube channel. I'm Jess, and today, to celebrate Pancake Day, I'm sharing my recipe for healthier, fluffy blueberry pancakes with a warm, sticky blueberry sauce. Start off by making a plant-based buttermilk by combining 2/3 of a cup of oat milk with 2 tablespoons of Mr. Organic's Sicilian lemon juice. This is 100% natural Sicilian lemon juice. Then set aside for 10 minutes to curdle. In another bowl, combine 2/3 of a cup of spelt flour with 2/3 of a cup of instant oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a good pinch of sea salt. Then whisk out any lumps. Pour in the plant-based buttermilk mixture, then sweeten by adding in 1/4 of a cup of Mr. Organic's organic light agave syrup, and using a spatula, gently mix the wet ingredients into the dry. Whisk out any lumps if needed, but be careful not to overmix. Add in a heaped 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries and turn them through the pancake mix. Lightly grease a pan with a little coconut oil, then add around 1/3 of a cup of the mixture into the center of the pan at a time to form the pancakes. Allow to cook on a medium-high heat until bubbles form on the surface of the pancake. Then flip to cook the underside. This recipe makes around 6 to 8 fluffy pancakes in total. Then for the warm, sticky blueberry sauce to go on top, combine 1/4 of a cup of fresh blueberries with a tablespoon of Mr. Organic's light agave syrup in a pan on a medium heat. Leave to bubble, stack your pancakes while that's cooking. Top with plant-based yogurt, and once sticky and warmed through, add the blueberry sauce on top. These healthier blueberry pancakes are quick, easy, and are made with only 10 ingredients. Light and fluffy, they are just so good paired with this warm, sticky blueberry sauce, lightly sweetened with Mr. Organic's agave syrup.